This burner is pretty good about boiling water, so it should not take that long. Alright guys, the soup is ready, the water is boiling, so I'm gonna turn the burner off, open up my soup, put the water in, close it, and we will wait a few minutes. There we go. Now we'll put that on top and we wait. All right, and we should be ready to taste. Not too bad. All right. Quick, fast. And not bad. I like the big noodles. So I'm gonna eat, crash for a little bit. Alright guys, I'm not gonna lie. Today was a rough day. I did complete the ring fry challenge, and I was so close to completing the mad packet challenge, but the rain kind of put a damper on things. When you fish a body of water and you try something that you normally would not throw, it can either end up in success or a big fat failure. In my case, it was almost a success, but I didn't get the fish in the boat, so it was a failure. But you live, you learn, and yeah, so I am here in the tent getting ready to crash. It's been a long day. I hope that tomorrow's weather is better, so that way I can get out there in the morning. I am sleeping in my Kelty Circuit 2 tent, and as you can see, it's pretty roomy. I got my water and snacks there, and I have my bed, pillows, sleeping pad here, and it has been storming like the dickens, and there's not one drop of water inside. So if you're looking for a good tent that will stay dry, not a paid promo, but Kelty, these tents are awesome. I needed the Circuit 2 because I am not a small person. So the Circuit 2 technically is a 2-person tent, but for me, it's one. The cool thing about this is, check it out. It has a rain fly on the outside that you can stake open, and you can put your stuff behind it, so it will stay dry. There's a huge gap, and I could pull it out further, but they're stones, so it ain't happening. But here is my view, guys. I am literally right on that right there is the water. Close. It's a beautiful night. I pulled the boat up because the rain was getting pretty bad. So I pulled up, and I will pull the plug out tomorrow, and hopefully I'll be out there in the morning on the water. So that's my plan. And there is a huge mosquito in here now. So this won't die. Gosh, that is a huge one. Wow. Anyways, God, my lens is fogged up. Sorry. It's humid in here, but breakfast. We're going to eat some good food. I have eggs, sausage, and hash browns for breakfast. So we will see you guys on the flip side. Good morning, guys. The same clothes you ask? Yes. I am breaking camp today, and I want to get all of my gear squared away before I take a shower. Makes sense, doesn't it? So I didn't really think that you cared to see me cook eggs on a pan, so I have some eggs, quick, cheap protein. This weekend could have been better, but you cannot stop the rain, unfortunately. I got 2/3 of the challenges knocked out. Frogfish, yes. First night, I caught 2 literally in the dark. I could not see where I was reeling, but made it happen. Day 2, ring fry, check. Madpaca, almost. I had it hooked, but it did not make it to the boat. So, what are you gonna do? Then I came in for lunch. It poured, and then poured some more. So I did not get to go out last night. Kind of bummed, but still, I came out here to a dry tent, which is always a good thing. So, overall, great weekend. Got to take Mike out. He caught some fish. And that's really what it's all about, man. Taking, the veterans on the water and just having a great time. So I did. I'm gonna get this camera off before the sky falls down again. If you want to see more camping videos like this, hit that like button and subscribe. We are 10 donk subscribers away from our next giveaway, 450. Can we get to 1K before the end of the summer? But with your help, we can make it happen. I'm gonna turn you off for now, and if anything else exciting happens, I will turn you back on. So I wanted to add one of the coolest things that I can do for my daughter is make these videos. When she looks back and says, you know, what was my dad all about growing up? You know, what was he like? I want her to see how much nature plays an important part of my life, and the outdoors, and camping, and just living in the moment. There's honestly, I can't really think of anything better to leave behind for my daughter than to see what I did and where I went. Not only in the angling aspect, but my music, where I traveled, where I went. I want her to look back and see that she played an important part of that also. So when you're out there, I know if you have a channel, it's not just about the views. It's not about the likes. It's about living in the moment and just taking life in for what it is. And also remembering that you're not only filming for your subscribers, for your viewers, you're filming for people to have something to remember you by, to see how you lived life. And you know, I'm so glad that y'all are along with me for the ride. It's awesome. I really want to make better videos, better content, and I hope it's what you want to see. Let me know if you want me to go do something, camping-wise, fishing-wise, whatever it may be. Let me know, and we will do it. So, just wanted to add that little nugget of info for you. Whew. Alright guys, spent the last hour and a half sweating my butt off. Now we're going to head out to another spot near Fayetteville with a veteran who just bought a house, and I'm super excited for her. Barbara, in the spirit of Memorial Day, thank you for your service, and my heart goes out to people who you have lost along the way in your career in combat and service. So we're going to head out to Barbara's house and see what's up, guys. Are you ready? Let's do it. I need to get ice for the cooler. I really need to get a decent cooler. The one that I have, it was like a day and a half and all the ice was melted. So that is on my agenda. Get a better cooler. Oh yeah, had to stop at Bojangles to get my potato rounds and my roasted chicken bites. This is literally the only place close to where I am that has these chicken bites. I cannot wait to tear them up. This right here, folks, is what it's all about. Going down the hatch. Yes. Yum. Alright guys, so the fire pond did not pan out, but we are gonna go to another secret honey hole. Apparently there are giant bluegill and big bass. Alright guys, we are on the way out from where we were, and I don't know how we got here, but luckily I have GPS. Shout out to Barbara and Power, a good fellow friend, veteran, and subscriber on my channel. Out of respect for the owner, I didn't bring in my cameras. Maybe next time I might. So we are on our way home. It'll probably be in 3 parts.